Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. John Kelly for Options University on Sunday, November 13th, 2011. Trading always has been, always will be risky. Here's the disclaimer, but things are looking a lot better out there. The Italian lower assembly passed the austerity bill yesterday. Berlusconi has resigned, and the Italians have agreed to live under the austerity measures, as has the Greeks. Spain now raises its ugly head in that it is projecting that it will miss its deficit targets. I don't know what that means. Stay tuned. Who all could tell? Back in the U.S., the stock market, the last four times that the VIX 20-day buy to open call put ratio got this low, it moved very significantly to the upside, which would be rally. In other words, the market's going up. I don't know if that's going to pretend, but the fact that it turned this week is very significant. It indicates the hedge fund managers may be positioning themselves to get back in this market and get a great Christmas rally. Political news, I forgot to mention on Friday that the Michigan sentiment came in much higher. It was 60.9 before, new figure 64.2. The back burner issue that may rear its ugly head and replace Europe as a concern to the market is the Congressional Super Committee. It is stalled. They're supposed to report just before Thanksgiving. They don't have much time. We'll see how that one plays out. Keep an eye on that. Any news that comes out may spook the market. Looking ahead to the week, Monday, tomorrow, there are no major economic news releases. The market opened up tonight, positive 60 or 70 on the futures Dow. Tomorrow morning before the open, we get the earnings on JCPenney and Lowe's, and then Interoil after the close, and Urban Outfitters. Tuesday is going to bring us PPI, core PPI, and retail sales, Empire State Manufacturing Survey, and business inventories. And before the open, Dick's Sporting Goods, Home Depot, TJX, Walmart. After the close, Allegiant, and then Dell will be reporting. This is really the last big hurrah for the earnings. It'll really taper off, but a lot of news this week. CPI on Wednesday, industrial production, capacity utilization, NAHB, housing market index, and crude inventories. And before the open, Abercrombie & Fitch, Target. Afterwards, AMAT, ARUN, NTAP, NetEase, PetSmart, and Yoku. On Thursday, weekly jobless claims, building permits, housing starts. Then the Philly Fed, which had been negative, that's what kind of spooked the market back in August. But since then has been reporting positive outlook. So that will be very important for the market. And then before the open, Dollar Tree, GameStop, HP, Sears Holding, Smuckers, and Williams-Sonoma. After the close, Salesforce, there's a big one. Blue Coat Systems, Foot Locker, Gap, Intuit, and Marvel. Thursday, leading indicators, and then before the open, and Taylor Stores and Heinz. So there's the news for that. Stock news I forgot to mention on Friday night, Molycorp. Of course, came out with that disappointing earnings, price cut from 66 to 57 by J.P. Morgan. First Solar, here's a big surprise. They cut RBC cut their price projection from 150 to 56. It'll struggle to make that. MasterCard, though, going very strong, and I'm having a great run in MasterCard in a leap play. A price increase from 385 to 410 by Barclays, and then Cabot Oil and Orly Automotive. New all-time highs. Check them out. Orly's in the same sector there with AutoZone, Advanced Auto Parts. And then we have Solar Winds with AutoZone, CBI, all breaking out of first stage bases. So very high probability of success there. Base recount list, those are the ones to put in your watch list. They should do well. They've reset their bases. And then in the gold member section, we're going to take a look at Google, ISRG, Molycorp, Under Armour, and VMware. See you there.